Hey friends, Gator Mom here. Hope you're having an awesome day. Today I have a brand new release from Lily Jade to share with you. This awesome backpack is called the Anna. Alright, like I said, today I have a brand new release from Lily Jade to share with you. I'm super excited to bring to you their Anna backpack. This here is in the large size. They are releasing this backpack in two different sizes, a large and a medium, but today I'm going to be talking to you all about the large size. So this backpack has kind of two bags in one, and I'm gonna go through the whole backpack and show you what I mean when I say the two bags in one. I decided to break this review up into two different videos because I really wanted to show this bag unpacked so that you can visualize and see kind of how you would use this bag, because there's tons of different ways that you can pack this bag. If you have kids, if you don't have kids, you can use this bag for traveling, you can use it as a work bag, you can use it as a diaper bag, a mommy bag. There's tons of different ways that you can use this bag, so I really wanted to make sure to explain all of the different features of the bag, really show the pockets, not packed with anything in them, the different ways that you could carry the bag, and then I'm gonna do, of course, a full packing video so that you can see kind of the capacity of the pockets and what everything fits in this bag and how it holds and all of that fun stuff. So today I just want to show you the overall features of the bag and kind of get into the nitty-gritty of the bag. So like I said, it is the Anna backpack. I have it here in the black nylon. I'm not sure all of the different colors and the different leathers and all of that this bag is going to be released in, so definitely make sure to check all of Lily Jade's social media channels. I'm sure they're going to be releasing tons of different pictures and a full lineup of what this bag's going to be released in. I will of course have all of their links down below in the description box so you can check it out. But this bag here is their gorgeous black nylon, and I have it here in the silver hardware. The nylon I'm finding is super lightweight, and of course it's really easily wipeable. So if you're in and out of a lot of weather, if you're in and out of rain, if you're in and out of snow, if you're traveling, this might be a really good option for you as far as the actual material of the bag. It's really soft and it's super lightweight. I was surprised when I pulled this kind of massive bag out of the box how lightweight it was. I love it. All of the trim on this bag is like their top of the line full grain leather trim, and then their zippers of course are really smooth, and then all of the zipper pulls are the leather as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in and show you the bag. I'm gonna start with the back of it so that you can see all of the different ways that you can carry this bag. The backpack is designed obviously as a backpack, but you can carry it crossbody, you can carry it over the shoulder, and then of course you have the options to carry it on your stroller because there are built-in D-rings here on the side. The bag does come with one of their awesome shoulder straps here, just like we're used to in all of the Lily Jade bags. It is adjustable here on the side, so you can wear it just over your shoulder or you can wear the bag crossbody. I'm kind of short, so I probably wouldn't wear a bag of this size crossbody, but I can definitely see myself wearing a bag like this over the shoulder if I didn't want to wear it backpack style. So this bag is a great option, you know, to wear with the shoulder strap here. If you wanted to wear it backpack style, the bag already comes with the straps here anchored on the bag. They are sewed in, so you can't take these straps off of the bag. So that's kind of a nice twist for Lily Jade, because all of their bags, most of their bags being the convertible backpack option, you can take the straps off of the back. And then you have to add them here at the top. This bag here, as you can see, is attached here at the top. So the backpack straps are already there, but at the bottom of the bag, you can detach the straps. If you knew, like for sure, that you didn't want to carry it backpack style, you can take them off here at the bottom. And then there is this awesome back flap here that is this magnetic closure, and it's a really easy pocket. And you can tuck the straps in the back and kind of close your pocket there so that your straps are nice and tucked away. And then you can carry it however you'd like to carry it. If you want to go back to carry messenger style or shoulder strap, or if you know it's going to be hanging on your stroller for a long period of time, you have that option for your backpack straps not to be flapping around. So that's a really nice touch, but I do like that the straps are kind of anchored on there this time for you. Nice, awesome grab handle here at the top. It is that leather, so it's like nice and sturdy here for you. On the side of the bag, you have awesome, huge bottle pockets here. I'll show you in the packing video like what type of bottles and what type of like thermoses and water bottles will fit in here, but you can definitely fit, I would say 2 like standard size bottles if you were going to use this particular bag for like a diaper bag feature. You can fit any of the large like Hydro Flask type bottles or swell bottles, anything like that. These side pockets are huge. They're absolutely awesome for traveling. You can fit a ton over here on the side. Any large like sunglass case would fit over here. Any type of wallet, any type of like travel type portfolio, things like that will fit over here in this side pocket. Now moving on to the front of the bag, I want to get into the different pockets that you have. You have 2 really large pockets right here on the front of the bag. The one down here in the front is kind of what I like to call like the mommy pocket of the bag, if you will, just because it's most accessible in the bag. You have one long zipper that goes the full width of the bag, and then you have a huge pocket that goes all the way down here on the front. So it's the perfect size for your keys, for your phone, for your wallet, for your passport, for anything like that, or of course anything baby related that you needed to put down there. You of course have your Lily Jade tassel here on the front, but it's a little bit shorter, which is really, really cute. I loved it. It has the Lily Jade logo there, and then the tassel just fits right here to the bottom of the bag. So I think that it was super cute. But like I said, this pocket here is super, super big and roomy. Then right above it, it's kind of hidden down in there, if you guys can see it, you have another huge pocket. I love this pocket because it goes the entire length of the bag. So you can fit anything down in there. It's perfect for like the carry-on for an airplane if you're traveling with kids. You can fit a coloring book in there, you can fit play packs in there, you can fit a lovey in there, you can fit a blanket in there, anything that you need to grab for really, really quickly. If you want to put snacks in there so that you can make sure you can grab them really fast, anything that you want to be really, really accessible on this outside pocket, it's absolutely perfect. It's huge. It goes, like I said, the entire length down here of the bag. So you have this pocket and you have this one on the outside. No fuss, no like additional zippers on the inside. It's just a really, really easy pocket on the outside of the bag. Love it, love it, love it. Now getting in to the inside of the bag, I want to explain to you what I mean by the 2-in-1 pocket of this bag, or 2-in-1 bag. Sorry, getting tongue-tied. I'm going to go ahead and start with the back of the bag. You have 2 different bags built in to this huge backpack. It's awesome. This one here has a double zipper pull. It goes all the way down on the side of the bag, and it opens up kind of similar to like luggage, if you will. So I'm gonna kind of lay it down here so that you can see how it opens up nice and flat. You can pack it awesome. I absolutely love it. On the inside here, you have 2 big elastic pockets, which are awesome for tech needs. You can fit a pair of shoes in here. You can fit stuffed animals in here for your kids. It is a really spacious, roomy pocket. Then on the flap here of the inside, when you open it, you have a magnetic flap here and a padded spot for your laptop, for an iPad, for anything tech related. If you don't have those types of things, you could slip your planner in here. You can fit coloring books, a notebook, anything like that that you want to fit in here. The actual like cavity space of this part of the bag is really, really deep. And again, I'm gonna really get into that on the packing video so that you can see what fits in here, but I wanted to show you it empty so that you could really visualize what you could use this bag for. It's awesome. It is like a overpacker's dream. I love it. I mean, you can use this bag, like I said, for traveling, or if you are a mom of multiples, it is like brilliant. So you have that there on the back that opens up nice and wide, that you have kind of your things back here, if you will, for like all of your tech things and your laptop, like all of that kind of stuff. And then on the front of the bag, again, you have double zippers, but this type, or this front of the bag here only opens halfway down. So your zippers here are only gonna go to here. It's not gonna open all the way down. And then you have a whole nother compartment, and this part of the bag is huge. You can pack this here with a cooler, you can pack it with pouches, you can pack it with the packing cases that Lily Jade has. it's like an organizer's dream. Like you have so much space to really, really organize it. You have a couple of inside interior pockets and you have an interior zipper there. I'm gonna kind of put it down at an angle so that you guys can really see what I mean as far as the interior pockets of this bag. There's so much space in there. It's really, really wide. I would say like each side, you have a good 3 inches of like space on each one. It's absolutely huge and so awesome. It's just an organizer's dream. You can really do so much with this bag. And it's so structured. So if you don't want to pack a lot in one side of the bag, you don't have to. If you literally just want to put your laptop over here, maybe your planner, maybe like your charging cables, and then put all stuff for the kiddos in the front, like you totally could. What I love about it is when I travel, I tend to travel with like a bag for me and then a bag for the kids. And I'm always having like 2 bags, and that's okay for me. I'm a bagaholic. I have a ton of bags and I love to use a lot of them. But sometimes if you're on and off like a plane, or if you're, you know, only have that one carry-on, like this is the one. Like this would be a great option for that. And you could really pack a ton. And especially like in this particular nylon one, it's super, super lightweight and it's not gonna hurt your back. So I absolutely love it. I think this is a great new bag from Lily Jade. I'm excited to pack it up for you guys and show you what will fit inside and kind of do a nice packing video for you guys. So that's gonna be coming very soon. And definitely check out Lily Jade's channel so that you can see all of the different leathers this one's coming in and when it's going to be available and how you can get your hands on one of these. So big thanks to Lily Jade for sending this over so that I can show you guys this kind of pre-release and get you guys a couple of new videos for it. So I will talk to you guys very soon and be on the lookout for that packing video because it's going to be coming in the coming days. I'll talk to you guys later.